Hi guys, in this video we learn meaning of pessimist, in English and Hindi with example sentences. If you found this video helpful, then please hit like button and share this video to all. Pessimist, meaning in English is, someone who thinks that bad things are going to happen. Pessimist का हिंदी अर्थ होता है, निराशावादी. A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity. निराशावादी हर अवसर में कठिनाई देखता है. So, what would the pessimist say? तो, निराशावादी क्या कहेंगे? Don't be so pessimistic, look at the good side of the story. इतना निराशावादी मत बनो, कहानी के अच्छे पक्ष को भी देखो. If you are watching this video on YouTube, then please subscribe to our channel, or if you are watching it on Facebook, kindly follow our page, and also don't forget to like and share this video.